Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing Injora brass diff covers on our new Bronco. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a must-have modification to the SCX24 Bronco. We are gonna finally be getting some weight down low with the Injora brass diff covers. I went with name brand, and I went with a black, and I also went with the heavier diff covers of the two that were there, hoping that this can make the Bronco crawl better. So let's do a quick test run, guys. We're gonna hit my indoor foam course, bone stock, besides changing the lights to the bumper, switching the lights around, and I tucked the bumper in as far as it can go. Other than that, it's stock. Let's see if we can do it. Oh no! This doesn't seem to be doable. I've never done it with the Bronco yet. Never been successful. Oh, we almost had it! Oh. Alright, let's give her one more try here, guys. Oh. So that kind of shows you the idea here is we get a lot of roll because of the hard body. Now, my plan is to get weight down here on front and rear, and hopefully that'll change this hill climb. If not, make it better. If not, make it easy. I don't know, we'll see. Let's do the rest of the course here, guys. Oh no. My bumper. Hey, bumper. Whoa! Okay, guys, so moral of the story there is it's not a great crawler for performance-wise. I love this one more than any SCX24 I've ever owned because of the looks. It looks unreal. It's my favorite. I love it, but it doesn't perform as well as any other ones, and that's the hit you take when you buy scale looks over performance. Let's get to the table and install those brass diff covers. So I chose the 10-gram option over the 6-gram option. It's $1 more, and I was like, this thing needs as much weight as possible down low, basically. All right, so we got our classic Injora stickers. Those are always good to have. I got a lot of them now. Injora is a really good brand for the small stuff here. All right, let's get into this. These are little snips. Get a little unboxing for you guys. Oh, these look really good. So we got, oh man, those got some serious weight. Those look good, guys, hey? Wow. I went with the black too. I paid more for the black because I didn't want to ruin the scale appearance of the Bronco, which is why I bought it in the first place. Oh, that's cool. It's got the Injora printed on the top. That is really cool. Okay, so it should be pretty simple, guys. We just take out the old one and replace with the new weighted ones. We got all our hardware here as well. Nice little bag. Okay, so let's start with the rear, shall we? Very simple one here. I don't know if you guys can see actually, but you can see there we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pop it out, put the new one in. Okay guys, we got it off just like that. Boom, pops out. The bolts are different sizes that come out. The top ones are the longest. Yeah, I mean, looks pretty good. We definitely got some grease in there. I'm just gonna transfer that over to our new one. Should be that guy there. We'll just kind of scoop it out and put it in the new one. I do have new grease, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to open it just for that little bit of grease that I want to use. So here's the new one. It comes with the bearing in it. And it should just simply push back to where it was. Boom. Okay guys, I decided I'm just gonna use stock hardware just because it's black. I don't want it to be too noticeable. So we got the black hardware here. So I'm just gonna reuse it. Just like that, we got it bolted up. 6 bolts, just use the stock hardware. As you can see, it doesn't stick out at all really. It looks cool with the lines, but you don't have that silver bolt pattern. So I like that look, feels really good. Let's do a little test here. Oh yeah, see you grab right in the middle. Tons of weight in the rear right now. I just took this off just to make my life easier when I'm spinning that, but this is about to go back on. And let's move on to the front. Should be similar, but we do have some steering stuff in the way. We got our diff cover here. So yeah, let's take it out. We're not gonna take off any links. We're just gonna pop it right out the way it sits. I got the 6 bolts out and it popped out here. Oh yeah, forgot. Going to need to get clearance, so let's pop off one of these links. The easy way to do it, I'll tell you guys that, but yeah, you're gonna have to pop off a link there, and there it is. Stock is out on the front, and we're going to be throwing in, let's get some grease crossed over there. We're gonna just pop it right back in there. I'm going to see if I can do it without moving anything. Just because I don't want to be like that. Boom. There you go. So what I'm going to do is screw 2 in so it doesn't fall out. And then we're going to have to line it up with the top bracket. That you can see my diff is folded really far forward right now. That is because the top kind of slipped out of place. Let's get that guy back in. Just beware of that, your drive shaft. Don't want that to be off when you go to button everything up. Tedious one when you have the hard body. I did this on the deadbolt. It wasn't this annoying. There we go. Drive shaft is back in. We gotta get our servo back in its spot. Servo's kind of running around right now. All right, guys, I'm super excited to test it, but there you have it. The front is in. Now, few things to keep in mind. Your drive shaft might pop out, so make sure that's in. And when you are tightening, if you guys can see in there, that pinches the servo in between the diff cover and the mount. It looks really good. Let's see from a scale perspective here. That's a lot more scale than this one. Show you guys here the difference. So these are the brass ones that are cheaper usually, and there's the other ones. I wanted the more scale look, so I went with the black. And you can see that definitely is a lot more scale. This one is all performance, so I didn't really care. Also, if you guys want to check out the latest video on this one, it is the light bar there. It is pretty cool, so check that one out. Yeah, guys, I'm happy with it. It looks really good. It doesn't look like a brass piece on the front. It looks a lot more scale. Now let's test it. I'm very excited for this. Back at the test course here with those brass diff covers. Let's see. It feels way better. Look at that. Look at that crawl. Can we do it? Whoa, okay, okay. I know what you're thinking. All that for nothing. But I got a feeling we can do it. Oh my gosh, we did it. Are you kidding me? If that doesn't show you what brass diff covers can do, I don't know what does. That was amazing. Wow. I am really impressed right now. The amount of control after this mod. I said it last time on the deadbolt as well. I said this is a must-have, and you can see how controlled we are. And just planted. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is night and day, guys. Wow. That was impressive. All we got is the brass diff covers. 10 Gs front and rear. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have to say, That is truly the best bang for your buck modification. I believe it was 25 bucks, free shipping, and we got ourselves super sneaky, I'd say, brass diff covers. You can barely tell they're on the truck with the black hardware and the black diff cover. It looks good. We're keeping the scale looks, and we got some performance. I am so happy with that. That last clip really did blow me away, guys. I've been driving this thing all day, and its hill climb abilities are brutal because of the hard body. I cannot wait to drive it now on my course with this modification. It is truly a game changer. I'm so happy to go out there and rip it, and should keep up with the deadbolt a lot better now. But you can see, like, when you flex, like, there's just so much more weight down low to keep this truck balanced. Before, if you went like this, it would literally just tip over. But now it's just, look at that. Like, you could see it in the clips there, guys. Video doesn't lie. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you want to see the next modifications we got coming, subscribe. That'll be coming soon. And if you want to buy this product, the link will be in the description. It is from Amazon. You guys can go ahead and click the link and get it for yourself. But yeah, guys, I gotta say, that's the best mod. Bang for buck, it's gotta be. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.